Mom, what are you doing? Dad is going out of his mind.
He'll be all right.
The whole hospital is turned upside down. Everybody is looking for you.
But you're the only one that found me.
How did you get up here?
There's a hole in the fence.
I know, but how did you get up here? The steps nearly killed me.
I'm not sure.
It's a good spot. I wonder more people don't get up here.
They don't know about the hole. Shouldn't you be at your party?
I was, until Dad called and said you vanished.
He will be annoyed.
Dad?
No. What's his name?
You know what his name is, Mom.
Do I? What is it? What is it again? Gordon? Gormand?
Garen.
Ah, that's right, Garen. Sounds like some sort of rash. Oh no, I got a nasty case of Garen on my ass.
Mom, he's my husband.
I always liked the other one, Simon. He was so
Weak.
considerate. He was always so nice to me.
He probably liked you.
Me? Really?
Really?
But I'm twice his age.
Trust me.
Garen reminds me of someone else.
Who?
My husband.
Dad's all right.
You try being married to him for 40 years.
Come on, Mom. I better get you back.
I'm not going back.
Don't be silly, Mom. Come on.
I'm not going back, Helen. I hate that awful place with all that stuff. People keep ringing me up saying, "What can I bring you?" I say, "Don't bring me anything. I don't want any more things." Beautiful clothes. They look very expensive.
They are. So I guess, Gorman is good for one thing.
Maybe two. How did you work it out where I was?
It wasn't hard. New Year's Eve. Where else would you be?
Chair in my view. Surprised you remembered where it was.
Oh, come on, Mom. Hasn't been that long.
5 years.
5? Really? I remember when you first brought me here. I was 8 years old.
Long time ago.
20 years. I remember it like it was yesterday. We got here just as the sun was going down. My little legs were so tired. You had to carry me up the last 50 steps. I kept asking, "What is it, Mom? Why are we here?" You just smiled and said, "Going to my chair. Best view in the city."
I remember.
I kept asking, "But what are we going to see?" And you wouldn't answer. You just put your finger over my lips and said,
"You'll see, my love."
And then when the sun went down, you pointed to the sky and you said, "Look." And then suddenly the sky was so full of light. It was huge explosions of color. Pink, orange, blue, green, and noise. Terrible noise. I had to keep putting my fingers over my ears because the noise was so loud. I'll never forget it. Night sky, the colors, the stars, muffled explosions in my ears. It's my first fireworks.
You never forget your first fireworks.
Did you ever bring Dad here?
As much as I loved your father, I needed to have something for myself. This was mine. My chair and my fireworks.
But you brought me here.
Back then, when I thought of you, it wasn't like we were two different people. We were the same person, so it made sense to bring you here. I knew that it would mean the same to you as it meant for me. Maybe I thought you needed to see it.
Do you still think that? We're one person?
Sometimes. I knew you'd come. I wanted it to be just the two of us. Me and you. 20th anniversary fireworks.
But it's not fair to Dad. He really should be here, too.
I've said my goodbyes to him. Besides, 40 years a wife, 30 years a mother. It's time to just be me.
Mom.
This is my last fireworks, Helen. I wanted to share them with you. If I can't play favorites now, then when can I? Can I tell you something?